Hi, this is Avisha, and my partner Tyler and I worked on developing a smart home security system for the final project for ECE 5725. This is our team, minus the girl in the middle, and these are the components that we use to achieve the project objective. We essentially have a camera, a pan tilt base, and a PIR sensor, which is all used to determine whether there's movement within the camera's frame. And if there is movement, we send a email to the user notifying them that there's been a breach in security. And we use Linux and the Debian Linux distribution to do all the software. This is a circuitry for all the hardware. We have a Raspberry Pi camera module attached to the Pi, two servos and a PIR sensor also attached, and a switch between the power source and the servos to easily turn off the system.
Here is the physical hardware that Avisha just described. Of course, we have our Raspberry Pi 3 Model B back here. We have the Raspberry Pi camera module version 2, which is on a pan and tilt mount with two servos. We have our PIR sensor. We have our switch to easily disconnect the battery pack. And here, of course, is the battery pack. This is an example of the email that is automatically sent to the user to alert them that motion has been detected. In this instance, the computer vision algorithm is responsible for generating the alert, not the PIR sensor. Upon receiving this email, a user can click the hyperlink to access the user interface. The user interface is globally accessible anywhere in the world. The first thing you see is the video live stream. Here you can see my hand moving through the frame. The next thing is the status of the PIR motion detection sensor. Here there is no motion detected, but it will asynchronously update as motion is detected. Next you have the pan and tilt servo controls with an option to center the camera, and finally a shutdown button which acts as you would expect.